Welcome guys, and like the title said, I want to show you guys how to clean your needles. It's a really simple concept, but I get a lot of questions about it. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put some gloves on. So the first thing we're going to do is imagine this on our workspace. We're going to need a little distilled water in our cup. Now this is our rinsing cup. Distilled water in our rinsing cup. You can have multiple rinsing cups. I'm just using one for this scenario. Alright, the machine is on and she's purring. So let's say you were over here and you were in your darkest black. And you're tattooing and you're tattooing and you're tattooing, yada yada yada. And you want to go to like a mid. It's not too big a deal. You can just shake that sucker off in there a little bit. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Drip, 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 drip. And you should be pretty well good to go to jump into your mid-tone or whatnot. Work, work, work. Right? Working, working, working. Clean that needle off. You need a little help. Grab yourself a paper towel. And let the towel absorb that water in there. Okay? So we're cleaning it off. Water's absorbing, or the paper towel's absorbing that dirty water. And we are pretty well good to go to dip into some orange now. We've cleaned that black right off the needle. We're going to get into some orange here. And the orange is looking good in there, as you can see. Orange, orange. And we go ahead and we tattoo with the orange. And now we want to switch to a different color. Let's say back to our black. So we're going back into this rinse cup. You could have several other rinse cups, maybe one for color, one for black. I'll leave that up to you. Nonetheless, I'm going to dip right back in there, shake it around, come over here. Now let's say you do that a few times and you're really just not happy with the outcome. Your other option is take your distilled water here and you see this opening right here. Squirt that right down in there, but have a towel ready to catch the water as it pours out. And there you go. You got about 99.9% of the orange out and you're ready to move on and start tattooing different color, different shades, nonetheless. But that is how I clean my needles. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the bell to get notifications when I post, and until next time guys, peace.